This video sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below. Morning guys, January 16th, 2020. This one here I gotta go to a dentist's office and put a little backflow preventer in on a coffee machine. I guess the water department went back by there and they check all the backflow preventers in this place because it's a dental office. They got, you know, vacuum pumps and whatnot sucking everybody's mouth dry. And they said they have to put up some kind of little cheap backflow on that coffee machine. So I got one that they use like on hairdressing salons and coffee machines. It's a little compact vacuum breaker, atmospheric type vacuum breaker. So I'll show you when I get there what it's like, and we'll do the old switcheroo. We'll add it to the system. It's got some plastic pipe feeding the coffee machine, which I didn't install that. That's not really up to code. I mean, it should be all copper. But I'm going to leave all that. I'm just going to put the vacuum breaker on there before all that mess. If they say anything about that, we'll have to replace all that stuff with copper, all that plastic going out. Can't use plastic pipe in a commercial building in my state. So, but like, I'm not going to touch any of that. They might not say anything about that, seeing it's a coffee machine. So sometimes a coffee guy will come along and slap that in with all that plastic, and it's like they kind of turn their head from that. They don't say much. It's after the fact. Not something I did. Come on, girl, Miss Molly. Yeah, you love Daddy. Yeah, you love Daddy. Yeah, I know you love driving. You love driving. Yeah, you love driving. Yeah, you love driving. Alright guys, I'm down here at the dental office, and I got this thing going up to a coffee machine with a filter, and there's no backflow preventer on this thing. Because seeing it's a dental office, they got a lot of nasty stuff here, vacuum pumps and whatnot, so I'm going to use this little vacuum breaker here. Which they use these like on hairdressing salons, on coffee machines. It's a backflow preventer. It's got an arrow. I got the box in the truck. I'll show you the box when I go back in the truck. But I got a little piece of copper here. I'm gonna change the filter too while I'm here. That's the plan. So going up to a coffee machine, it's not a big deal. We're just gonna need a little piece of copper to come out of that valve. I would put it upstairs, but there's all that plastic pipe, and that's not really legal. So I'm gonna put it down here, and I'm not responsible for all that. I didn't put all that plastic pipe in there. That's not really up to code in this building. If they say anything about it, we could change that after. This is a 3/8 IPS. This has got an arrow on it, which way it's got to go. Put some Teflon and some pipe dope on there and give it a deal. How you doing? Set it with a rag. put a little fritz on there, Mom, a little dope. Alright. I said there's an arrow on there. It has to go in the right way with the arrow. Alright, so we got that off. She's a Laker. There's a release up here. I can release it there. Alright, so I got this mutton ferrule on there. See that? Put a little dope on that ferrule too, like that. So you gotta make sure the arrow's going that way. I'm gonna go this way. Going that way, and then I'll cover, I'll protect the, I'm worried about the domestic water. From the water department was here and he said he wanted this on there. Most of the time I put them up at the coffee machine, but seeing there's all this plastic pipe everywhere down here, I don't want to be responsible for it. If they make you change it, well, that's different. Let's see if I get this off. Oh, she's a Laker. Filter's fine, there's nothing wrong with it, it's clean water. That's one of those taste and odor ones. I'm going to leave it right in there. The filter looks fine. Got one of them taste and odor filters in there, that's fine. It's not dirty at all. We'll see. Filters I have aren't as good. That's the filter in there is a taste and odor one. I don't have one in the truck. We'll see what happens. This adapter won't allow me to do it. We'll see what happens here with this thing. Give it the old how you doing, mama. Let's see if it leaks. There you go. So there it is. If any backflow will leak out of there, like when I first turned it on, it spit out a little bit. That's common. I don't have that filter with me, but at least she's covered under. At least she's covered now with it. Tank here. I heard a burner running. I think I've worked on this pump before. These pumps before. This is a newer setup. Guy copied my tags. Look at that, guy copied my tags. It's been a while since I cleaned the burner. Alright, she don't seem to be leaking. But if there's any backflow issues, she'll drip right out of them where them holes are. It is a backflow preventer. I had to put that in because the water company, they come around and they inspect everything. The inspectors for the water company, and they wanted that put in there. I've got a backflow here, but this is a vacuum pump for sucking the teeth when they're doing the grinding and shit, right? I replaced this one a while back, but that's for that vacuum pump. Nasty. Alright, so it's a 3/8 watts N9. That's what I put in there. Hello, Miss Molly. You miss me? Oh, I know you miss me. I know you miss me. Oh, I know you miss me. Yeah, you did. You miss me. I know you miss me. Hello, Miss Molly. How's my buddy, huh? How's my buddy?